Everything begins on the wide ranches of Amarillo, Texas. Everything starts on the vast ranches of Texas. Every healthy bull receives expert daily care. Strong genetics create exceptional American livestock. Texas ranches operate on an incredible scale. Careful handling protects every valuable animal.
Care keeps every animal in excellent condition. Every batch is prepared for safe transportation. Byproducts begin a completely new journey. Nothing valuable is ever wasted in America. Every sealed container moves under strict quality control. Next, the shipment heads for Chicago, Illinois. The refrigerated journey protects every shipment. Chicago comes into view. Every container is unloaded with absolute precision. Quality inspection begins before production starts.
A little lower, steady now. Okay, I have it.
Each container is opened under strict hygiene.
Mechanical lifters feed pure white tallow into the preparation line. Cutters prepare uniform tallow pieces for rendering.
The flow is steady, just like we want it. Perfect, perfect, let's move on.
The rendering process is ready to begin. Tallow begins a remarkable new journey. Continuous mixing ensures perfectly even heating. Transforms it into pure golden tallow. Remove every remaining impurity.
The soap-making ingredients are carefully prepared.
Every ingredient is measured with absolute precision. Every ingredient is measured with absolute precision.
The transformation into soap now begins.
I am adjusting the valve now.
Reading confirmed. Mixture is optimal. Adjusting valve 3 now.
Check the flow rate on the gauge.
Purity is checked before the next production stage.
This is moving through. Pressure looks good. Heading to refining now.
The process is stable. Monitoring texture consistency. No waste, perfect homogeneity.
Vacuum is holding steady at 2. Excellent. Check the texture now. It's perfectly dense. No air bubbles left. Just as intended.
Processing removes trapped air bubbles. Fragrance blends into every batch.
Finished blend prepares for shaping.
Set the flow to 5 degrees. 5 degrees, confirmed. Flow is good.
Mechanical cutters create identical soap bars. Locks in the final shape.
Is maintaining a consistent 52 degrees Celsius. Excellent. Check the density on that next batch. Looking good from my end.
Controlled cooling strengthens every premium soap bar. Each bar receives its signature identity. Every surface is polished to a premium finish.
Every beauty bar is wrapped for lasting protection.
Each package is sealed with perfect precision.
Every beauty bar receives its final retail package.
And this is where the magic happens.
Every package passes one final quality inspection. Now the cartons are grouped for shipping.
Every shipping case is securely sealed for transport. Mechanical conveyors organize every shipment perfectly. Labels prepare every shipment for distribution. Mechanical conveyors organize every shipment perfectly. Every shipment enters the finished goods warehouse. Every order is prepared for nationwide delivery. Loading begins with perfect balance and precision. Another shipment leaves Chicago for American stores.
Reliable logistics keep America supplied every day.
1 through 4, clear.
Copy that. Moving the first behind the goods pallet now.
Alpha 1, bring that pallet to aisle 9. Bravo 2, you're clear to enter the trailer. Keep it moving, team.
Pallet 34B is clear for outbound lane 2.
Noted. Manifest matches the count.
Stores across America receive fresh deliveries. Retail shelves are stocked with precision.
From Texas to America, the journey is complete.
American families choose quality they can trust.
Every purchase reflects months of careful production. American families choose quality they can trust. Every purchase reflects months of careful production.
Behind every purchase stands American manufacturing. Every day, production begins all over again.
Innovation keeps every production line moving.